My name is Michael Durrant. I'm a lecturer on the Master's History of the Book programme here at the Institute of English Studies. From medieval manuscripts to digital texts, the history of the book is a dynamic and evolving field, one that you can explore at our institute, which is part of the School of Advanced Study, University of London. Our MA and MRes in the history of the book place you at the centre of an internationally renowned research institution dedicated to book history, manuscript studies and textual scholarship. Here, you'll join a vibrant academic community that not only studies books, but also advocates for their role in education, libraries, archives, and the wider heritage sector. As a student, you'll have unrivaled access to some of the world's most important research collections. Senate House Library, home to millions of volumes, rare manuscripts and specialist book studies resources, is just the beginning. You'll be within walking distance of the British Library and a wealth of specialist archives and libraries in history, medicine, theology and beyond. What makes our programme unique is their hands-on, practice-based approach. You'll work directly with rare books and manuscripts, learn bibliographical techniques, and engage with cutting-edge digital humanities, from digital editing through to 3D printing. Seminars are frequently held in special collections libraries, archives, and research institutions, ensuring that your learning is immersive and applied. Employability is at the heart of what we do too. Our students gain real-world experience through internships with renowned antiquarian booksellers, museums, archives and libraries. We also have strong partnerships with industry leaders such as Maggs Brothers, and our alumni have gone on to careers as rare booksellers as well as cataloguers, archivists, museum curators, librarians and publishers. Beyond the classroom, you'll engage with leading scholars and professionals at internationally renowned academic events, including the London Rare Book Summer School and a wide range of research seminars. We also organise exclusive term-time visits to antiquarian bookshops, special collections, museums and auction houses across London. At the Institute of English Studies, you'll be part of a dynamic and supportive scholarly community with small cohorts and personalised mentorship from internationally recognised experts. You'll receive the guidance you need to thrive. With flexible learning options, an extensive professional network and an unparalleled blend of academic and practical experience, our MA and MRes in the history of the book offer the ideal foundation for a career in this fascinating field. To find out more, please visit our website.